Hi guys, today I'll be sharing you 3 simple turban tutorials. So okay, this I just came up with. Let me just post this. I had the idea of shooting this last night and I was just trying on the styles and I was like, this is good, you know, I should share this because it's a lifesaver. By the way, just so you know, I have Zara here, my daughter, and she might make a cameo anytime. So if you hear any noises at the background, just that's her. Yeah, that's her. So if you guys can see, I have one side of my earring here because it's fashionable like that. No, I'm kidding, I can't find the other side. So let's work around it because I really like this earring but I can't find the other one and I think it really worked good on turbans. This is a lifesaver if you want to have a turban, if you want to make a turban but you do not have the volumizer or you do not have enough hair to have a like a fake bun. Maybe somebody has already shared this but I didn't come across it. So I tried this on when I was rushing for a dinner with the family and I really wanted to pull off a turban but I don't have any of this. So on the spot I just tried it on and it worked. So with these 3 styles I'm going to incorporate this little beautiful shawl that I got from a Secret Santa when I was working like 3 years back. I got it from a colleague and when I got it at first I was quite disappointed because I was like, why did you even give me this? You know I'm wearing hijab, like I can't pull this off, you know. So it's been in the box for 2 years and finally last night it struck me and I just took it out and I was like, hey, this works really well with this, so let's try it on. So first you gotta have both sides on equal. Okay, it's all black today, so goth. So what we'll do is tie a knot at the back. You gotta tie a knot at the back, okay? Not too tight, you know, you just let your ear breathe a bit because if it's too tight then halfway through your dinner or whatever it is that you're in, it's gonna be really uncomfortable. So don't make it too tight, all right? So take one side, okay? Here comes the magic. Take one side and just tuck it in slowly, you know? So what we're doing now here is we're creating a bun. Do take note that I am tucking this into my shawl, not my inner shawl, not my inner stuff, sorry, not my inner stuff. I'm tucking this into my shawl. So you get this. So you have my I have my fake bun down here and then I have my other lump up there which shouldn't be there, but the thing to notice, which I didn't even notice, is to have your hair tied lower so that you don't have 2 bumps, then it's gonna look weird. Okay, so kind of just imitate a bun here. So as you can see here, you will have a bun. Okay, take the other side, left's the one that you have. Give that a turn like that. You can make it loose a bit or tie it up to you, you know how you want it. And just go around. Like that. So the excess you can either go around if you have enough. In my case, I think it's safer for me to just tuck it all in because I don't have enough fabric to go around. So yeah, once that's tucked in, you can secure it with a pin here. I would suggest best as a safety pin so that the pin doesn't come off. And this is how it looks like at the back. Okay. There. So now, my favorite part, the scarf. So what I'm going to do with this scarf is I'm going to fold it into two, depending on how thick you want, depending on how thick your shawl is, your scarf is. Okay, I'm going to put it under my head there. Just give that a cross. And I'm going to tie it at the back. And there. You know, I find this very chic, very classy, very kind of, I would wear this on a day where I am actually wearing very simple clothing, like maybe like a turtleneck like this, and maybe I'll just, you know, put on a bright blazer like this, and I'm ready to go. For style number 2, we're just gonna move on from the tie to the back, but have both sides outside, because just now we tucked one side in. So we're gonna have both this out. This is actually a very simple one. You just tie it up and leave it to one side. Okay, leave it to this side. So the chic part comes in here, where you take that scarf of yours, okay, put it on your head, here. We're gonna go under the knot, okay, tie it up tight. Put a double knot if you are not really confident with how strong it is. So tie it up, and I would put a pin here just to be safe here, so that in case it slips off or something, you know, it still hold in place. So pin it there and kind of just turn it around. Have the scarf and the your shawl like that, you know, and you have, it's just a simple black shawl, and it's just a black turtleneck, and looks, just look at how exclusive it looks like, you know. You just have this whole, it has very classy, you know. I wouldn't mind wearing this for a nice dinner, you know, an event, in weddings, you know. It just have that very nice and very classy touch to it, you know. For style number 3, same, this is where we start at. Have your shawl tied up with both sides equal, and what we're gonna do is take one side, okay, and kind of just throw it on there, you know. You have that natural folds to it, okay, but don't let this slide off to the back, because then it will slide off, you know. We don't want that. So try to have it on top of your head, don't let it slide off. And then take the other side and just put that in a knot, okay. And this one, you can just take it back and tuck it in. And this I will just tuck underneath my turban. So tuck it in the excess parts. Okay, so you have this nice, neat, tight turban. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And this side. Tuck it on. And we have it on this side. Okay. So this scarf. Take it here, put it on your neck, and I'm just gonna give that a tie. Just look at that. Isn't that fabulous? fabulous. I just love. I am not the kind of person who like to wear a turban, you know. I just never felt like it looked good on me. But last night when I was experimenting, I was like, Nabila, what have you been missing? This looks really neat, you know. And just put on like a jacket, or like even if you're wearing this with a dress, you know, it has very that Vogue finishing to it, you know. Hope you guys enjoyed these 3 styles. It may seem really complicated at first, but all it takes is what I did last night, just for you to experiment and try it on. It depends on the shape of your face as well. Some styles work on certain type of faces and some doesn't, and there's nothing wrong with it. And there are styles that I completely avoid as well. Sometimes I feel like it makes my face too round, or I feel I look too a bit plump. The most important thing is the type of fabric that you use. So turbans work great around cottons and chiffon as well, but if you are going for a nice event or a formal event, I would prefer to wear a chiffon because it has a very classy finish to it. Hope you managed to pull this off. If you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment and I will try to assist you. Thank you. Bye.